Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Accord radio. First, identify if your radio has no sound, a blank display, or other common issues. Begin by checking your car's fuse box. You'll want to locate the fuse specifically for the radio, which is typically a 10-amp fuse. A blown fuse is a very common and easy fix, often restoring full functionality to your audio system. This simple step can save you time and money. If the fuse isn't the problem, a simple reset might be all you need. Disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery for about 10 minutes. This allows the radio's internal memory to clear. After reconnecting the battery, turn your ignition to the accessory position. You will then need to enter your radio's anti-theft code using the preset buttons to restore full operation. This often resolves minor electronic glitches. Should the reset not work, it's time for deeper diagnostics. Carefully inspect the wiring harness behind the radio for any loose or corroded connections. Sometimes, a simple jiggle can fix an intermittent issue. You can also use a multimeter to test the continuity of your speaker wires, ensuring they are sending signals. If all these steps fail, the head unit itself might be faulty, requiring replacement or professional repair. To prevent future radio issues, regularly check your vehicle's electrical system and ensure all connections are secure. Always keep your radio's anti-theft code handy. It's crucial after any battery disconnection. Remember, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way in keeping your car's systems running smoothly. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.